students, in the previous class I have already explained about the whenever seeds get the favorable condition they start growing, and yeah, the conditions which are responsible for the seeds grow, that is air, water and sunlight. Whenever they are getting the favorable condition they start growing a new plant. And I have already told some seeds are damaged because some are eaten by the animals like rat, and eaten by birds, and sometimes damaged by the some other reasons, and some are destroyed by the wind, and sometimes they are not get the favorable condition like air, water and warm. That's why. Clear? Now in this today's class I will tell you dispersal of seeds. Some of the reasons are there, that's why the seeds are shifted from one place to another, and they are getting the favorable condition like air, water and sunlight, they start growing. Clear? Like this. So today's class I will tell you what are the reasons are there, what are the some reasons are there, that's why they are responsible for grown up a new place. Like what are the some reasons are there, that is dispersal of seeds. The scattering of seeds from mother plant is called dispersal of seed. The seeds are dispersed from their parents and they start growing in a new plant whenever they are getting the favorable conditions. Clear? Now, first one, that is dispersal by wind. Some plants have very small and light seeds. That is the cotton seed. Cotton, this is bean seed. They are getting the favorable condition, and sometimes winds are responsible for they are change their place from one place to another. With the help of wings or hair, they move. Clear? And madar, hyptes, and cotton seeds, they are dispersed by wind because they are light in weight, and with the help of wings and here they move from one place to another, and they are responsible for dispersal of seed. Second one, that is dispersal by water. Sometimes water is also responsible for dispersal of seed, and whenever they are getting the favorable condition like air, water and sunlight, they start growing up. Clear? The second one is dispersal by water. The lotus fruit, I think so, lotus, Kamal, that has a spongy part, and coconut nariyal, that is also fibrous coat is there, very well. Here, which enable them to float in water. They float in water, and with the help of currents of water they move from one place to another. Whenever they are getting the favorable condition like soil, air, water and sunlight, they start growing up. Clear, beta? Now next one, that is dispersal by animals. Animals and human beings eat fruits like apple, mango, watermelon. Sometimes we are eating fruits like watermelon, orange, grapes, watermelon, apple, mango, and whatever seeds are there, we are just throwing the seeds here and there. And whenever they are getting the favorable condition, they start growing up. Clear? And some seeds like this one, Xanthium, tiger nail, and spear grass have hooks or spines. Hooks or spines, these are the nails-like structures are there. These are attached with the body of the animals, attached with the human beings' clothes, and whenever they're just pulling down any place, and whenever they are putting down any place, and whenever they are getting the favorable condition, they start growing up. Clear, beta? Now the next one is their dispersal by explosion. Some fruits burst whenever they become dry. Whenever they become dry, the fruit they become burst, and the seeds are scattered here and there. With the help of wind, air, and water, they start growing up because whenever they are getting the favorable condition, they start growing up. Clear? That's today's class. Now I think so clear to all of you. These are the some reasons: dispersal of seeds by dispersal by wind, dispersal by water, dispersal by animals, and dispersal by exposure. These are the some reasons with the help of the seeds are moving from one place to another, and whenever they are getting the favorable condition like air, water and sunlight, they start grown up. Clear? And that's why that's today's class. Thank you.